Stroke is a leading cause of disability, but most strokes are preventable. The power to protect your brain doesn't start in a pharmacy, it starts on your plate. Landmark studies prove it. A Mediterranean diet can be more effective at preventing major heart events, like stroke, than even powerful drugs. The science points to two gold standard plans, the Mediterranean and GASH diets. Both are blueprints proven to lower stroke risk. The right foods protect your endothelium, the delicate lining of your blood vessels. This keeps your arteries flexible and your blood flowing freely. The foundation of a stroke-proof diet is simple. Fill half your plate with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Aim for 7 to 10 servings daily. Focus on polyphenol-rich foods like berries and dark greens. These powerful antioxidants directly fight inflammation in your arteries. Fiber is essential. Aim for 30 grams a day. Soluble fiber, from sources like oats and beans, actively lowers your bad cholesterol. Oatmeal is a superfood rich in beta-glucan fiber. It's proven to lower cholesterol and help you feel full longer. Differentiate your fats. Prioritize healthy fats from plants and fish, while strictly limiting saturated fats and avoiding artificial trans fats. The landmark PREDIMED trial proved it. A Mediterranean diet with extra virgin olive oil or nuts slashed stroke risk by almost 50%. Walnuts are a powerhouse. They are rich in plant-based omega-3s called ALA, specifically linked to improved brain vessel health. Aim for at least 2 servings of oily fish like salmon weekly. Their EPA and DHA omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatories for your arteries. What to avoid? Start with excess sodium. It drives high blood pressure, the single biggest modifiable risk factor for stroke. Most sodium hides in processed and restaurant foods. Aim for less than 1,500 milligrams per day. You must read the labels. Saturated and trans fats, found in fried foods and red meat, directly contribute to the clogging of arteries that leads to stroke. The directive is clear. Limit your intake of red meat, and it's best to completely avoid processed meats like bacon and deli meats. Added sugars do more than just fuel obesity. They promote chronic, low-grade inflammation, which is incredibly damaging to your arteries. How do you apply this? First, take back your kitchen. Cooking at home gives you complete control over salt, sugar, and fat. Build an anti-inflammatory spice rack. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic add powerful flavor and fight inflammation at the same time. Enter the grocery store. Shop the perimeter where fresh foods live. Treat the center aisles full of processed foods with extreme caution. Read every label. Look for low-sodium options, check for added sugars, and ensure trans fat reads 0. Knowledge is protection. When eating out, be assertive. Ask for sauces on the side, choose grilled or baked over fried, and always load up on vegetable side dishes. Save time and prevent bad choices with meal prep. Preparing healthy meals in advance makes the right choice the easy choice during a busy week. Practice mindful eating. Eat slowly, savor your food, and listen to your body's hunger cues. This is key to preventing overeating. Overcome cravings strategically. Don't deprive, substitute. Craving sweet? Opt for fresh berries or a small piece of dark chocolate. Embrace gradual change. Start with one small thing, like adding a single serving of fruit to your day. It all adds up to a huge impact. This isn't a temporary diet, it's a sustainable lifestyle. Combine these food choices with regular physical activity for ultimate protection. Consistency trumps intensity. It's the healthy choices you make day in and day out that build a resilient, stroke-proof body. And remember, be compassionate with yourself. If is a journey, not a test. Every healthy choice, no matter how small, is a victory. Remember, individual foods are great, but the true power comes from the combined effect of a consistently healthy diet pattern. So, what's your first step? Make a specific, achievable goal for this week. Write it down. Every healthy meal is a direct investment in your future, protecting your body, your independence, and your quality of life. And if you're watching this for a loved one, remember that support is powerful. Cook together, shop together, and learn together as a team. The science is clear. The opportunity is yours. The time to start is now, because the power to prevent stroke is truly in your hands. Thank you for taking the time to learn this essential knowledge with us. Here at Beat the Stroke, we empower you. If this video helped, please like it, share it with everyone you know, and subscribe for more life-saving content. Thank you.